This is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN Network. And joining me right now is Jonathan Hoyles. He is the CEO of Perk Labs. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you: PERK on the CSE and PKLBF on the OTCQB. Jonathan, thank you for joining me today. How you doing?
I'm great, Robert. Thank you for having me here today.
Great to have you. So this is actually our first time doing an interview together. So I'd love to start off with a quick overview and history of the company.
Absolutely. So the what we do, we're a mobile commerce marketplace. So we sell products on our app and on our website. We sell digital gift cards, and we also sell products from third parties. And our products are focused on categories like organic, natural, and eco-friendly type products. In terms of our history, we actually started out in mobile payments and with a specialty really with restaurant payments. So we did payment by QR code, payment by tap, and payment by taking a photo of a bill. And we've really pivoted during the COVID-19 pandemic because we basically saw our transactions in the restaurants sort of stop overnight. And we, at that time, we quickly came out with the capability to do pre-order and pickup in restaurants. And then our experience there was that that particular market became very, very competitive very quickly with DoorDash and Uber Eats establishing market share. So that's when we decided we're going to invest our efforts into mobile commerce and really be a marketplace for products. And that's something that has been a successful change in terms of strategy because there's been a huge acceleration by consumers for shopping online.
So is that what the Perk Hero platform is then? Can you describe that a little bit more?
Yeah, I mean, what really makes us different and what's sort of at the core of our platform is our loyalty rewards. So basically anytime you make a purchase on Perk Hero, you're earning cashback rewards in the form of Perk coins. And the more you use the app, the more you spend, the higher your earning power gets. So the more you use the app, the more and more coins that you're going to get back in the form of cashbacks. Kind of similar to a frequent flyer program where once you become elite status, you start earning more frequent flyer points. Except for our loyalty program, it's sort of continuous that you continue advancing your earning power as you level up.
Absolutely. So I'm also a little curious as to what's the competitive landscape look like? I mean, I would assume that, I would say some demand for platforms like this pre-COVID, but now, now that we're in this era, I'm sure there's a number of other companies that are trying to create similar platforms like this.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. There's been a huge push into e-commerce and mobile commerce, and we're seeing more and more. There's a focus on the mobile aspect, people shopping with their phones. Obviously the 800-pound gorilla in e-commerce is Amazon, and they've had tremendous growth since the pandemic has started. There's other marketplaces such as Etsy, also Wish. So in terms of our business model, it's similar to those types of marketplaces where we're offering products from third parties and we're taking a commission on the sale of each product. And the commission varies depending on the type of product, whether it's um, a drop shipping type item or if it's a digital gift card or other types of products that we sell. So we're always making a commission on the sale.
Very good. And I have to ask, what's your background? How'd you come into all this?
My background is actually in law, and that's where I started out my career as a securities lawyer, and then I went in house working for a family investment company and was involved in venture capital and in investing in technology companies. And I also have, I'd say a great interest in blockchain and cryptocurrency, and that's sort of what led me to my role, which I started out at the company as the legal counsel when our company was more involved in blockchain, and so I came on to advise on compliance related to sort of blockchain related activities. And sort of through the journey of our company, my role has changed over time to now I'm the CEO.
So, well, okay, so you hit on something kind of big right now because that's kind of the talk of the town. I mean, I guess it's been the talk of the town for the last 10 years, right?
Mhm.
Is that the company's involved in crypto and blockchain right now? So how is the platform built on the blockchain where you can go and buy Perk coins, or what's the integration there, or is it not integrated anymore?
Well, with our previous payment solution, where when we were focused on restaurants, for a period of time, we had the ability to pay with Bitcoin, and we had also come out with plans for a coin under the name of Glance Coin. Previously, the name of the company was Glance Technologies at the parent company level, and our payment solution was called Glance Pay. So, I mean, that's something that again, it's something that continues to be something that we watch and that we have experience and expertise in, but I really can't comment on it any more than that.
Fair enough. We'll leave it at that. So Jonathan, with that, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's value catalysts now moving forward?
Yeah, I mean, coming up, we just recently announced expansion into the U.S. So that's really the big focus for us now is how we grow and market and sell into the U.S. We continue to develop our mobile app and our website. So continue to make that better, build in new features based on customer feedback. So I think that's something that you'll continue to see improve over time. Excited about a lot of the things that we're working on there. And then we continue to add to our product shelf and bring in new merchants and really increase the size and selection of things that people can buy through our app. We've got digital gift cards on the Canadian side of our marketplace. So something we've announced is that we are pursuing to have digital gift cards on the US side of our marketplace as well. But yeah, I think really the thing to watch for us is sort of how we build our marketplace and our marketing campaigns, particularly into the US.
And Jonathan, with that, where can our audience go and find more information about Perk Labs?
You can visit our website at perklabs.io, and you can also follow us on all the major social media platforms on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook.
Very good. Well, Jonathan, thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Good luck, stay safe, and I look forward to our next update.
Thank you, Robert. Really appreciate your time today.